Here I have these two cells in which I want to create a drop-down list. All right, first, we need to have a second sheet with all the data we're going to insert into the drop-down list. First, click on the cell. Then, click on Data. Data Validation. Click here. List. Click on Source. And go to the other sheet. Then select all the data for the first cell. Click OK. And as you can see, we've got it. Now, let's do the second cell. Click on the cell, then click on Data. Data Validation. Click here. List. Then click on Source, and same as before, go to the second sheet and select all the data. And click OK. And that's it.